Welcome to MJ Adventure Studios. In today's video, I'm going to be making a Ridgeline Shelter on my camping trip. So originally I was going to go with an A-frame, but Ridgeline is a lot easier, and with the resources that we currently have, it's the easiest and the way that makes most sense. So this part of the video is going to be fast-forwarded. But yeah, I'm going to make a low ridgeline shelter in between these trees here. Yeah. these pegs are too thick, and I'm out of the other one.
They won't fit in there?
No.
So you could maybe use that string to tie it. Or I might have a few more of the other ones that are similar to the other one. Let me see.
Do this. Hello guys, so I just finished my shelter. Like I said, it's a Ridgeline, not what I was intending. I wanted a A-frame, which I'll probably do on my channel in the future. But now I just gotta get my good old pack and move right in. So, it's pretty big, pretty wide. No trouble with space or anything. It's just how comfortable it'll be. We're contemplating on putting an air mattress in. Don't think one will fit. Maybe. Don't think I want one though. We had almost enough steaks, the right kind, to finish the whole thing. But there wasn't enough for the end. So, just gotta put a rock there or something. Throw that in there. I have something to do all night. My paracord is completely unwinded. It's gonna get tangled. It's just not a good scenario. I'm gonna go make a fire or something in a minute. Yep. Let me set up my camera. Ridgeline Shelter in the woods. I'm just worried a spider or something's gonna call on me in the night. Cause no mosquito net, same on that side. Bugs can get in. Pretty darn easy. I think I'm gonna make some food, make a fire. That should be fun. I'm gonna eat some s'mores in a minute. I've got tons of meals for tonight. Tons. Well, not just for tonight. This is what's for dinner tonight. Chili mac with beef. That should be pretty delicious. It's Mountain House. Tons of other Mountain House in here. Got another one back there, and then I got some refuel. Take only pictures, leave only footprints. That's what it says on the bottom of that bag. That is kind of weird. But yeah, I'm all moved in. Got my cotton swabs here that light fire really easy. They're covered in Vaseline. Might make another part of this video tonight. Maybe the fire, something cool, my chili mac. And then in the morning, if my camera, which is at low, if it still has battery, I might make a short in the morning. Who knows? There's a cricket somewhere out there. If you enjoy content like this, please like and subscribe. Next camping trip, maybe the Gila or something bigger for us, I could probably make my A-frame. That's bucket list right now. I was thinking I was going to do it on this trip. You can't cut the trees here for some reason. So that's off the list. So we could make an A-frame. There's no fallen trees here. They're all shrubs and seem to be growing very well here. So no good fallen trees for use for making an A-frame. But yeah, I got a Ridgeline. Seems pretty comfortable. I'm going to eat dinner. I'm going to make a fire. It's going to be awesome. If you like content like this, please like and subscribe. MJ Adventure Studios out.